So your assignment today is starting with number 3A, and they have a picture provided to you, but it's not going to be that self-explanatory. So it wants you, if you look at the end of the paragraph, how far is it from the Ranger's Tower to the water tower? From the Ranger's Tower to the water tower, how far is that? So that means the variable needs to go on that side of the triangle. That is your x right there. Now that x is across from that angle, so we need to know this angle before we do anything else. But we can figure out that angle because we have 97 and 34, and if we total those up, we have 131. The entire triangle is 180, so that leaves us with 49 degrees for that corner right there. So all this work here was just to find that angle, which is across from x. Then we can match up 34 across from 150. We don't end up using the 97 in the law of sines because it isn't across from anything. We did use it to find the 49 originally, but this is our crisscross right here. So then we set up the sine of 49 over x equals the sine of 34 over 150. You're then going to cross multiply, write your equation, and solve it down here. So in this problem, you're talking about some terrain around a river. I'm guessing your picture's a little bit better than mine, but probably not great. So it says, how far is it across the river from A to B? Well, from A to B is right here. So that's going to be our x, which is right across from 33, so those two will match up. But what we don't have is anything across from this 275. So we need to find this angle down here. Same way we did before above. We have 105, we have 33. That's 138. If you take that away from 180, you end up with 42 degrees down in this corner here. So all that work was to find the 42, and now you can set up the law of sines. The sine of 42 over 275 and the sine of 33 over x. Cross multiply, show your algebra, and solve.